Why is it necessary to clean the laptop or personal computer from dust and change the thermal paste every 3 to 6 months? As you can see in the video, the dust becomes such a solid material under the influence of heat, it looks like a felt that suffocates the cooler and radiator, which means that cold air flows in and hot air flows out. As a result, the temperature of the processor and graphics chip of the video card increases, the motherboard also increases, and in general all thermal sensors show a high temperature. As a result of being left in this state for a long time, first there will be faults, cracks, jamming of the coolers. As a result, the condenser will already be inflated, the system will start jamming, the FPS will drop, then the HDD/SSD temperature will also increase. It will even damage the keyboard and touchpad in the case of a laptop. In a good case, if the appropriate parameters are set in the BIOS, the system will crash at a high temperature, but as a rule, the user will restart it many times until the chips are finally overheated. Artifacts will appear in the image, green cubes on the image, or will go directly to a black screen. Therefore, try to clean the entire system or a single video card in time. Do not put the laptop on a soft surface, which will also stifle the ventilation. If you are not able to clean it often or apply thermal paste, before bringing it to the service, use a hair dryer or an air blower. It is only cold. Blow it off using air, or carefully remove excess dust with a vacuum cleaner. Please consider the recommendations, like and subscribe to the channel.